Welcome. In this video, I'm going to highlight for you the key applications of the Unified Namespace in manufacturing. So the Unified Namespace is an architectural approach that allows you to consolidate data and information across the OT and IT domains of a manufacturing environment, and then reflect all of this information in a single repository where it is arranged in a semantic hierarchy. At the core of it, it is really about laying down a foundation that allows you to address multiple use cases and be able to swiftly move from one use case to the next. Now, the key use cases include the optimization of asset utilization. And here, this includes the tracking of the overall equipment effectiveness, the mean time between failure, mean time to repair, and more importantly, the first pass yield that gives you an indication about how effectively the equipment is producing the quality of a part. The second use case is production scheduling. The most important aspect about the Unified Namespace in this regard is that it allows a decoupling between MES and ERP systems to allow you to be able to integrate production order information and work order information within the Unified Namespace and be able to exchange all of this information between the respective applications and then be able to perform dynamic allocation of the execution of work orders. The third use case is quality monitoring and assurance. So you want to be able to really determine if a product is going to be bad or good quality really early on. And the Unified Namespace allows you to integrate all these quality insights in real time, whether they're coming from AI prediction insights or from some co-pilots that are used in manufacturing. The third application that is mostly commonly used for the Unified Namespace is regulatory compliance. So being able to do away with the manual collection of data for regulatory compliance and then be able to automate the integration of this data is a very key application of the Unified Namespace. The fifth application is the logistics. So you want to be able to integrate your warehouse management system into the Unified Namespace to provide visibility as far as inventory is concerned. And then also you want to be able to monitor in real time the movement of material and products, so that integration of the Unified Namespace is able to give you that snapshot of exactly what's going on with the status of your inventory. And then lastly, but more importantly, the Unified Namespace is really about being AI ready. So all of this data that is being consolidated is contextualized by domain experts. It is of high quality, which then makes it usable for a lot more AI use cases. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with your connections. And do watch out for more videos on the Unified Namespace here on our channel.